Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting for Santa tonight. He climbs down the chimney at the speed of...
Hey everyone, it is day 3 of this stomach bug. I caught it yesterday. Didn't get a chance to film. That is why we didn't have a video, but we are powering through. We are outside, of course, again, because I just feel like it really helps us out. We didn't get out much yesterday, so I'm just hoping that this starts to subside because if you're a teacher, you know you don't have many days to take off, and with the sub shortage right now, which means we have like no substitute teachers, it's been really tricky. So I'm hoping this starts to subside and I'll feel well enough to get back into the classroom. And yeah. Okay, I switched spots because it got windy, but we today need to go to Target and do a little Target haul for you. That's not why we're going to Target. We just have to get some things. We're going to start to decorate outside, and a crucial part of decorations is lights, and we don't have any because last year was our first year in the house and it was just chaos. So we're going to go get some lights. They're on sale right now for 20% off if you check your Target app. If you don't have the Target app and you shop Target, you should definitely get it. It's just like being a member at a grocery store. You get all these perks and everything like that. So I'm not sponsored by Target. I'm just telling you could save money. But we're going to go do that, and I'm going to take you out throughout the day, kind of taking it easy on this stomach bug. And clearly I can't talk because I haven't spoken to the camera for a whole day. So let's just get right into today's vlog. I am going to start this morning off with a craft. That is always something that helps me out of a funk. So I have a wreath here. It's just those little wreaths from Michael's. I think I paid $4.99 on Black Friday. And I have this old garland. This was at TJ Maxx a while ago. But if you can't find this, because it was a few years back, you could just find some jute string and some of these tree halves. I don't know what to call them, honestly, but you could find these on Amazon. I will link something similar down below, or you could find something in your backyard, and if you're handy with a saw, you could do it yourself. So essentially, I'm just going to wrap this around my wreath, and then I am going to glue some pine cones onto the wreath as well with some of this deco cement. I get it at the Dollar Tree. Again, not the best for you. I should be doing this outside, but it's freezing and I need to watch my children. So I am going to use that deco cement. It is the best for like textiles and things, in my opinion. But I will leave it dry overnight, and then I will show you what it looks like. So this is what it looks like with a bow. I'm just giving you this option here. You'll have to let me know which way you like better. I am just more of a natural person when it comes to Christmas and holiday decor, so I might use the bow for Christmas Eve and Christmas Day. Let me know down in the comments which way you like your wreath and what kinds of colors you use for Christmas, or if maybe you change it up every year. I'm always looking for something different. So here is it without the bow. Again, super cute, but I think it will tie into our nature-themed Christmas decor. And for these Vlogmases, I will be doing some nature-themed decor for you that you can do with your kids or do with yourself. So I hope you are enjoying some of these DIYs. Now we are going to head off to Target and pick up our order.
And it is cold outside. We gather around the fireplace, and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday. It means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents. But it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. This year I'll think about how I'm so lucky to have a place that I can come home to. Yes, I am on my way. We'll put our differences aside.
What'd you see on the road?
I'm a bumblebee.
A bumblebee? Is it a tumbleweed?
Yeah.
What's it called?
It's called this bubble bean.
Oh, a tumblebean.
Yeah.
Oh.
Outside, we gather around the fireplace, and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday.
So it's so windy from that dust storm that I showed you. All of the Target orders are like flying in the air out of the bags, and the girls are trying to catch them and open the doors. We're just hoping that none of our stuff flew away because we've been waiting a little bit, but that's okay. The boys ran inside to get some stuff that I forgot / weren't on our order, and hopefully our stuff hasn't blown away, but we made it. It's just very windy. We are going to try and get back as soon as possible. Della. 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 Belly. I love you. I love you. No? Why not? We got lucky, friends. We just made it home from Target. None of our stuff flew out of the bag. So I'm going to show you my tiny but mighty haul here without my sweater in it. Sorry. Delilah is holding some macaroni because she's trying to help. And she is sporting the sweater that she got, the Sherpa that I'm wearing right now. She loves. So this one was on sale for $7.49 and she needs a new jacket anyways. So I got her that. Over here, a jacket. That's right. Over here, we have some fleece zipper up jammies for Wilder because he's getting taller and he doesn't fit into them. These are our favorite. We got some icicle lights for outside, 2 of those. The lights are on sale for 20% off right now. And then I have the Cat and Jack little cotton tights for Delilah. I have some, what's wrong, girl? What's wrong? I have some of these command hooks before Delilah takes them. They're going to be for the stockings that we have. For the swallow study tomorrow, I kind of touched on it, a swallow study for Delilah. I'll explain it tomorrow, what it is. But yeah, when she had Guillain-Barré, it affected her eating, and now she has a study done to make sure she's on track, essentially. But I'm bringing foods that she'll eat that they can mix something with. It's like this marshmallow fluff that kind of makes her insides glow on an x-ray. All a bunch of fun medical stuff. So we're doing the yogurt and we're doing the applesauce for that. I'm also bringing some of her bottles because look what happened. I'm like in a mess of Christmas decor right now. This thing just kind of sliced right off. I think in the dishwasher it got cut off, but Wilder picked the rest off luckily, so Delilah didn't eat it or anything. But we got 3 more of those. They are 0 to 3 because she's just not at the level that she needs to be to swallow, so she uses those. I'm gonna make this quick. I got these LED Sprig Pine Dewdrop lights. Those are for our little garland mantle, you could say. Not a mantle because it's not over a fireplace. It goes up the stairs. That's what I'm trying to say. And then we got these mini lights for the tree when eventually we get it. Unfortunately, yesterday we couldn't get our tree because of all the sickness, so that really bummed Wilder out. So we're gonna try and decorate outside for him quick before he wakes up from his nap. I have some salt here and these cookie cutters because we're gonna make some salt dough ornaments. We'll show you how we do that. And then we got Sprite. I haven't drank soda in a very long time, probably since I was pregnant, but I'm hoping it'll make me feel a little bit better so I can keep on keeping on with this holiday decor and Vlogmasing. All right, I'm gonna put all this stuff away. Oh, thank you, Delilah. I'm going to make some sick-friendly food for us, and I will see you soon.
A Merry Christmas Day.
Hey there, we are making some salt dough ornaments. So I'm gonna mix together this little dough. I have my oven preheated at 250. And I do mine a little differently. I will leave the recipe linked down below, but I have 2 cups of regular flour. I have 1/2 cup of salt. I have a little bit, I'd say a tablespoon or 2 of cinnamon. Then I also put a little bit of vanilla in it. These are just for scents. You could use whatever scents you want. And then I do about 3/4 cup of warm water. So I'm gonna mix this together. Wilder's watching some Ice Age right now, and then I will bring him over so he can do the cutting, and I will bake it while he goes to sleep so he can paint it in the morning or after school.
Dance around the Christmas tree, wishing all a Merry Christmas. Dance around the Christmas tree, wishing all a Merry Christmas. Dance around the Christmas tree, wishing all a Merry Christmas Day. Won't you come in out of the snow and cold? We've got it nice and warm.
Hi.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Do you want to do this first?
Yeah.
Okay, let's set it right. Wait. Right there. Okay, stamp down. Okay, Mommy, give it one. Doot. All right. We'll lift it up like this. Woo-wee. That's a nice one.
want
Good
to-
job.
Want to eat it?
No, we can't eat it yet. We're not going to eat these, but we can do cookies like this.
I want cookies.
Okay, now do the Christmas tree. Push down. Good job. Now, Mommy, try.
I want to
good
eat
job.
it.
We can't eat them yet. They have to bake in the oven.
In the oven.
Yeah, in the oven. Okay, we'll do the candy cane now.
I want the candy.
Okay, and push down. Good job. Now, Mommy, give it a try. Good job. Okay. Should we do the snowflake next?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead and push down. Wait. Okay, go ahead and push down. Good job. Now, Mommy, push.
And I want the tofu.
Huh?
Tofu.
A snowflake. Woo-wee. That's nice.
Oh.
What happened? Oh, yeah, we have some extra. We have some extra we can make stuff with. Let's do Christmas tree.
It's big the tofu.
It's gonna look really good.
I want to hold it. I
Woo-wee.
want to hold it.
Can you tell our friends, what did you see on our drive today?
Oh my god.
Did you see the buffalo?
Why did you see a tumble bean?
A tumblebean? We saw a tumbleweed. Did you see a buffalo, friend?
Yeah.
Yeah, we saw a buffalo.
I want to push it.
Oh, sorry, Mommy forgot. Go ahead, you push. Okay. What else did you see? See some deer?
A deer.
Sure did.
Oh, it's
Okay, one more push.
almost.
One more push. All right. This is the crucial spot, remember? You need a hole, so you could use a chopstick or something. You need a hole to be able to hang it. So here, let me see. Here, ready? Here, push down. Good. All right, now push down here. Whoa. Good job. Spin, spin, spin. Push down here. Good. Spin, spin, spin. Now here. Spinny, 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 spinny.
Let's do this.
Okay. Oh, up, 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 up. Spinny, 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 spinny. Okay. Ready? Boop. Spin, spin. Oh, you're so strong. Wow. You can see that you're working very hard. Okay. Push, push, push. Spin, spin, spin. Here, I'll move it this way so you can reach it. Ready?
I want to hold it.
Push. Good.
Pin,
Spin, spin. Push. Yep.
pin, pin.
Spin, spin.
That?
Yep, one more.
One more.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay, spin, spin, spin. Uh-oh. I hear the garland falling. Oh, no. All right, these are going to go in the oven for a little bit. Say bye.
Bye. Mwah.
So the salt ornaments, they bake at 250 for around 90 minutes, so just keep your eye on them, but you want them to be pretty hard. And now I'm taking you outside. This is how the wreath turned out. It is nighttime, so I apologize if the lighting is bad. And then we also hung our lights, very simple this year, just some icicle lights from Target. They were $7, and then a greenery garland from Walmart last week. I don't remember. You can remind me in the comments. I think they were $6.97, so I have one on each side. All right, my friends, I am going to end the vlog here. I'm going to take it easy again tonight. I'm trying to feel my best self, and tomorrow I will take you along for our day. Delilah has her big appointment, so wish us luck. As always, stay adventurous, stay creative. Happy Vlogmas. I will see you tomorrow. Bye, everyone.
Winter